Cesar of Sexy Eyes pass to begin, moving up outside, so now is Roadmaster racing in third. Kiss Me moving up outside, Dancing Blower, Eternity Instant comes next. Good move, Golden Glass with Eliza, Golden You worth the wait, Grand Sensation, Playmaker, and Tail to Tell is the early trainer. Now we have a Sexy Eyes, the leader by about 3 for Palenga. Roadmaster is right behind second, and 7 lengths of Winter now is Good Move moving up outside, Dancing Blower, then followed now by Golden Glass in fifth, Instant down in 6th, 7th Kiss Me, then comes Eternity and on the outside moving up Sweet Eliza, Golden You worth the wait, Playmaker, Tail to Tell, and Grand Sensation is racing in last, and it's still Sexy Eyes by Auraline Carihupa. Roadmaster still in second, Golden Glass now trying to get closer in third. Good Move is down on the inside board, Sexy Eyes followed by Roadmaster moving up Golden Glass. Good Move also moving up in between horses, but it's still Sexy Eyes by about 2.5 lengths. Golden Glass in second, Good Move is down on the inside third. We have Sexy Eyes followed by Golden Glass. Good Move, Sexy Eyes followed by Golden Glass on the outside. Sexy Eyes, Golden Glass, Sexy Eyes, but it's still Sexy Eyes, Golden Glass, and finally Sexy Eyes, Golden Glass, Good Move, then comes Instant, Sweet Eliza, Eternity for your Super 6.
5, 3, 2, 13, 12, 9.